Welcome to Tech Bytes and News, your daily roundup of articles featured in Hacker News. Today, we're diving into a really cool GitHub project, Mikey, a native Windows audio meeting note-taker. It's amazing!
A native Windows app? No cloud dependency? That's a game changer for privacy-conscious users, right? What's the core functionality?
Exactly. It records audio, transcribes it using the Grok API, so you need an API key, and then generates meeting notes. All locally, no external servers involved. Think of it as a supercharged digital notepad for your meetings.
Interesting. So it's not just transcription, it actually summarizes the meeting? That's a significant step beyond simple transcription. What's the UI like?
Yeah, it uses PyQt, so it's got a nice, clean GUI. There's a recordings browser, a two-panel window showing timestamps on one side and the transcript on the other. Very intuitive. Plus, it even has a custom favicon, the little icon in the window, for a professional touch. Pretty slick, huh?
I see. But relying on a third-party API for transcription, even Grok, introduces a potential single point of failure, doesn't it? What happens if the Grok API goes down?
That's a valid concern. Absolutely. While the transcription relies on Grok, the recording functionality is completely independent. You can still record your meetings even if the API is unavailable. The transcription and note generation would just be delayed until the API is back online. The developer could potentially add support for other transcription APIs in the future to mitigate this risk.
Good point. So it's built with Python, right? How's the installation and deployment? Is it easy to get running?
It's pretty straightforward. You install the dependencies using pip, and then you just run the main script. But the best part is that it can be built into a standalone executable using PyInstaller. No need to have Python installed on the target machine.
That's impressive. So essentially, you get a self-contained application that you can distribute easily. What about the project structure? Is it well organized?
Yeah, the codebase seems well structured. It's got separate folders for the core logic, the GUI, and the recordings. The README is also very comprehensive, explaining everything from installation to building the executable. It even includes a directory structure diagram. Very helpful.
Excellent. It sounds like a really well thought out project. The fact that it's open source is a huge plus, allowing for community contributions and improvements. What are the future prospects for Mikey?
I think it has great potential. Imagine the possibilities with added features like speaker identification, improved note generation, or even integration with other calendar apps. The community could really take this project to the next level.
Definitely. It's a valuable tool for anyone who needs a reliable, privacy-focused meeting note-taker. Thanks for highlighting this project.
My pleasure. And that's all the time we have for today's Tech Bytes and News. Thanks for listening, and we'll catch you next time. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.